Hey guys, Crystal Thompson here for Color Compass with Crystal. Today we are crazy for daisies, making this gorgeous Easter card inspired by some spring colors on this color combination. For this card, you will be needing the Crazy for Daisies stamp set. This is a gorgeous assortment of florals and leaves. You are also going to be using the black ink pad along with the following colors for color coordinations of Blushing Bright, which is a pink, So Saffron, which is a very light yellow, and doing some Pool Party for blue and Calypso Coral for the coral color, white, and Pool Party cardstock. We are going to begin by doing the outlines of the black first. So with our black ink, we're going to be using two of the flowers from the Crazy for Daisies and just stamping lightly over our cardstock, coming in with their second floral and stamping those on the white cardstock. The reason I selected these had more of those thin lines. Once we're done with that, we're going to move on to using the other two florals we hadn't used. Grab Pool Party and stamp that directly onto the card base. We're going to grab our other stamp set and grab that So Saffron, which is a very light yellow, pastel yellowish, and add a couple of those florals again. We're going to clean off those stamp sets and we're going to start inking up that Blushing Bright, which is a really pale pink. It's super pretty. And then with our second, we're going to do that Calypso Coral. I like leaving the darkest ink colors to the end and make those really pop but not overtake the entire image. Okay, for the sentiment, we are going to be using the Everything Easter stamp set onto some Pool Party cardstock. This is some leftover stuff from earlier if you've been watching our Color Combos with Crystal. We're going to stamp the Everything Easter. We're going to be doing Have a Beautiful Easter with black ink. So this is super easy, no embossing required. Ink that up, stamp the center of your strip, and it is ready to go. We're going to be using some foam adhesive. Put it on the back and then place your gorgeous sentiment right on your card. You can use some embellishments. I decided to use some clear sequins, you can see, and just put those in between the florals to not overtake those. And that does it. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you have a beautiful Easter and you can change sentiments on these cards. Thanks so much. Have a great day.